Have you ever wondered how composting works, or why it is beneficial for your garden and the environment? Composting is a natural process that transforms kitchen and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil. And today, we're going to demystify the process of composting for you. Composting is a natural process that turns organic material into a nutrient-rich soil conditioner. It's essentially nature's way of recycling, transforming waste into a valuable garden resource. Now, what does it take to start composting? Just 4 key ingredients: green materials like vegetable scraps, brown materials such as fallen leaves, water, and air. Greens provide nitrogen, browns give carbon, water aids decomposition, and air keeps the process aerobic. With these 4 ingredients, you're well on your way to creating your own compost. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of composting. First, choose a compost bin that suits your needs. It can be as simple as a designated spot in your yard or a purchased bin from your local garden store. Next, begin adding your materials. Start with a layer of browns for carbon. These can be leaves, branches, or paper. Then add a layer of greens for nitrogen, such as vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, or fresh grass clippings. Remember, it's all about maintaining a balance between the two. Regularly turn your compost pile with a shovel or pitchfork to help speed up the decomposition process. Once your compost has turned into a rich, dark soil, it's ready to be used in your garden. And there you have it, your own homemade compost ready to enrich your garden. Composting is not only beneficial for your garden, but also for the environment. It helps to enrich the soil and reduce waste, fostering a healthier, more sustainable world. By starting your own compost pile at home, you can enjoy these benefits and more. It's an easy, rewarding process that's truly worth the effort. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.